Hi, writer friends. Happy new moon. Happy Lunar New Year. So, last Lunar New Year, the card that I pulled for us was Justice Reversed. We definitely experienced reversals of justice this last year. Um, and I hope that your values have been feeling clarified over the last year, that your relationship with engaging in the world has been clarified, that some of the unhelpful thoughts that were kind of getting in between you and clear-sightedness um, got cleared out of the way. That's the hope with the Justice card. Let's pull a card for this month and perhaps beyond. If you're new, welcome. I'm Meg Heyertz. I'm the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their project. Um, I've got the Wild Unknown deck here by Krans. What quality would benefit? All right. Mother of Wands. So this is an archetype for us to step into. It's funny, we just finished the year of the snake. We've got more snake. So something important maybe from this past year um, is still important to bring in to the coming month or year. Um, this is the archetype of someone who is really plugged into their community, great at communicating, always inspired, um, always and inspired through the exchange of ideas, through communication, through conversation. Um, so my writing prompt for this is to call a friend who always kind of makes you feel like there are a million possibilities, things to think about, opportunities to get engaged with. Call a friend who kind of makes you feel inspired in that way, and just chat about your writing with that friend. Um, and or um, what character do you have in a piece that you're writing? Uh, who embodies those qualities of just plugged in, connected, engaged. Um, and if you don't have a character like that, would the piece benefit from a character like that? And how does that character uh, influence the arc of the piece, whether they're inspiring another character, whether a protagonist is going on an arc into becoming more of this character. Um, yeah, see where that takes you. Um, just kind of go with that, those kind of personable qualities. In whatever direction you go, which is not necessarily polite, but just has fun engaging. Happy creating.